Welcome back to this video. If you use Edge browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see 3 important settings you need to turn off right now in order to protect your privacy in Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Edge browser. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Edge browser. Then having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these 3 dots from the bottom side. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to go to addresses and more. So make sure you turn off this button right here. By turning off this button, it simply means that Edge browser will not be able to share your address, your phone number, your email address, and they will not be able to spy on you on your browser activities on Edge browser. So make sure you turn off this particular button right here. So let's take a look at the second one I want to show you. So the next one you want to do is to head over to your privacy and security services. Then at this point here, simply scroll down and then make sure you go to tracking prevention. Then at this point here, make sure you turn this off. By turning off tracking prevention, it simply means that any website you visit, they will not be able to track your information and they will not be able to personalize ads for your experience as far as Edge browsing is concerned. So make sure you turn off this button right here. Lastly, come down below right here and make sure you click on do not track. So make sure you also turn this off. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are 3 important settings you need to turn off right now in order to protect your privacy on Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.